Good morning, students. I am going to revise some important topics of chapter 5. Okay, in my previous video I had explained to you about atoms, nucleus, molecules, subatomic particles, atomicity. Okay, and in this video I am going to explain molecule of a compound and molecular formula of a compound. So what do you mean by molecule of a compound? So, molecule of a compound. Atoms of two or more elements combine together to form a molecule of a compound. Atoms of two or more elements means two or more different types of elements, atoms, when combining together, they form a molecule of a compound. When two different elements. Okay, suppose this is one element, element 1, and this one is element 2. Okay, so element 1 is having two atoms. Okay, elements 2 is having two atoms. So when two different elements, atoms are combining together, they form molecule of a compound. Okay, I hope you understood. For example, sodium chloride. Okay, for example, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a compound. Sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride is a compound. In this, atom of sodium is present and atom of chlorine is present. So, when two different elements, atoms are combining together, they form a molecule of a compound. So, for example, sodium chloride is a compound made up of two elements, sodium and chlorine. One atom of sodium combined with one atom of chlorine to form one molecule of sodium chloride. When one atom of sodium is combining with one atom of chlorine, it forms sodium chloride. Okay, molecule of a compound. Okay, likewise, one atom of carbon. Okay, one atom of carbon, when it is combining with two atoms of oxygen, okay, two atoms of oxygen, then it forms carbon dioxide. Okay, you can make the structure like this. Okay, for example, water also you can see, one atom of oxygen is combining with two atoms of hydrogen, so it forms a molecule of a compound. Okay, nitrogen oxide, when one atom of nitrogen is combining with one atom of oxygen, it forms nitrogen oxide. You can see ammonia, when one atom of nitrogen is combining with three atoms of hydrogen. Okay, three atoms of hydrogen, it forms ammonia. Ammonia is a compound. So when two different elements, atoms are combining together, they form a molecule of a compound. Okay, now the second topic is molecular formula of a compound. How you will write the molecular formula of a compound? Molecular formula of a compound is the symbolic representation of a molecule of the compound. When you are using symbols, okay, for writing the formula, then it is called a molecular formula of a compound. It is represented by the symbol of the constituent elements followed by the number of atoms of each element in one molecule of the compound written as subscript. For example, water. Okay, water, it contains two hydrogen atom, okay, and one oxygen atom. Okay, so how you will write the formula? Okay, two hydrogen atom, so H2. Okay, because we know the symbol of hydrogen is H, and since two hydrogen atoms are there, so we will write H2, and only one oxygen atom. Oxygen symbol is O, so we will write O. And always remember that number of atoms always you have to write as a subscript. Don't write as a superscript. Always you have to write as a subscript. If you will write like this, it will be wrong. Okay, always you have to write as a subscript. So likewise you can make the molecular formula. Okay, second one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. In this you can see one atom of carbon is there. Okay, one carbon atom, and dioxide means two oxygen atom. Okay, just to write the formula, one carbon, symbol of carbon is C, and two oxygen, O2. So this is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. Okay, sodium chloride, I told you, sodium chloride. Okay, one sodium atom and one chlorine atom. So one sodium symbol is Na and chlorine symbol is Cl. So NaCl. So likewise you can make the molecular formula. Okay, now the next one is your methane. Methane. In methane, one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom. So you can make the formula C, 4 hydrogen, H4. So this is the molecular formula of methane. And the constituent elements also, by seeing the formula you can write the constituent elements also. That number of atom of carbon in carbon dioxide is 1 and number of atom of oxygen in carbon dioxide is 2. So likewise you can write the constituent element also. Okay, next one is your ammonia. Ammonia, I am just writing the formula, and by seeing the formula you can write the constituent element also, that 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. Okay, this is the number of atoms of each element in one molecule. Okay, this is one molecule of ammonia. In this one molecule of ammonia, one atom of nitrogen is present and 3 atoms of hydrogen are present. So likewise you can write the number of atoms also, constituent elements also. Constituent elements you can write in this: 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atom. Okay, likewise you can make the molecular formula. Some more examples are there. I am just writing the molecular formula. For example, marble molecular formula is CaCO3. In this you can see 1 calcium atom. Okay, 1 calcium, 1 carbon, okay, and 3 oxygen. So you can write like this: 1, 1, 3. Okay, so likewise you can write the constituent elements also and number of atoms also. Sand, you can see sand formula is SiO2. Okay, 1 silica, or you can say silicon, and 2 atoms of oxygen. You can write here also silicon and 2 oxygen. So these are the molecular formula of some important compound. Baking soda molecular formula is NaHCO3. It is also called sodium hydrogen carbonate, or it is also called sodium bicarbonate also. Okay, remember it. It is also called sodium bicarbonate. Okay, in this you can see 1 sodium atom, 1 hydrogen atom, 1 carbon atom, and 3 oxygen atoms. So number of atoms you can write 1, 1, 1, 3. Okay, by seeing the formula only you can write the number of atoms also and constituent element also. In this, 1 sodium is there, 1 hydrogen is there, 1 carbon is there, and 3 atoms of oxygen are there. In page number 58, table 5.2 is given. In page number 58, table 5.2 is given. Okay, table 5.2, that you have to learn all the compounds molecular formula you have to learn. Okay, I hope you understood these two topics, molecules of a compound and molecular formula of a compound. Thank you so much.